ClickBank is another great way to monetize your niche website. ClickBank has been around for a very long time, and they are primarily known for digital products like ebook, e-courses, software and templates. ClickBank has more than 30,000 advertisers and hundreds of thousands of products that you can very easily use to monetize your niche, no matter how micro it may be. This is especially true if your niche is more on the how-to market, because the majority of products in ClickBank basically teach you how to do something. You can sign up for free and get your ClickBank username. When you have your ClickBank username, then you can go to the ClickBank marketplace, and this is where you can browse through all the ClickBank products. You can either do a simple search over here, or if you have no idea what to search for, then find the matching category according to your niche website. For example, if I have built a niche website on K-12, then I will be able to find under the education category another subcategory called K-12. And here I can find tons of products to promote from my niche website to make money online. All you need to do is click on promote and make sure that your account nickname or username is correct. You can see the amount of commissions that you will earn for making a sale when promoting this product. Then you can click on create, and ClickBank will give you the unique link that you can use. So make sure that you use the unique link provided by ClickBank in your email marketing campaigns, or you can copy the following code into your niche website's posts or pages. You can get paid via direct deposit. All you have to do is make sure that your country is in the list provided by ClickBank. If your country is not in this list, however, then you will have to choose the check method. And check payment is bi-weekly or every 2 weeks. As for the payment threshold, ClickBank will set a threshold of $100 by default. However, you can change this to as low as $10. Take note, however, that for every check sent to you by ClickBank, there will be an additional processing fee. So it may not make sense for you to get checks for $10. Also, make sure that your mailing address is correct, and ClickBank will process all your earnings every 2 weeks or every bi-weekly and send you a check.